Meet Coffee Tart, my entry to the Pixar's Next Generation Mega Tournament by Tiny Track Cars. I had a lot of fun customizing this car to meet the criteria for this race. Coffee Tart can get a bit snarly unless she has a morning coffee. So she's representing CutRock'R, and well, my favourite coffee shop is New Heights Cafe, and so she's the racer. So let's see how she rolls. But, unfortunately, Coffee Tart's pretty much of a one-shot. I only got one casting, and, well, pretty expensive to go farming wheels for it, so she might have a bit of a hop, skip and a jump behind her, but I'm sure if she gets the smell of coffee, anything could be possible. Well, even if she just has one shot and one and run, well, I've had fun anyway. So good luck, everybody, and we'll see you out there. Cheers.